Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green lines are coming from here. But I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these because in my mind, there's a much more straightforward way to kind of just gauge the overall support of the chart. And that is by getting a trend line into place here, because to give credit's due, over the past couple of weeks, I mean, it hasn't been anything too noisy in terms of massive explosions to the upside, but the price has just slowly and methodically been grinding itself higher and higher and higher, and that's what you want to see. Yeah, there's been several pullbacks along the way. However, with each one of those pullbacks, you can see the lows just keep on getting higher and higher, hence the ability to draw this trend line here. So from an overarching standpoint, that is the trend line. That is the key level of support that you're going to want to keep an eye on. You can also use, because they're almost one and the same, but if you want to use the purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, they're basically running parallel to each other right now. So either of those, or if you want to use both, that's up to you. The point here being, and the concept that I'm trying to convey, is that ever since the 20th, the price has definitely just been an overall drift to the upside, or trend to the upside, hence that being called a trend line. So watch those areas from the support side of things. What about levels of resistance now going forward? Well, the main level that stands out to me, and let me get that into place first, and then it will change just to red for resistance. But yeah, there's definitely this little resistance trend line that has arisen. And good news is the price is within striking distance. It's still got work to be done on Friday. Remember, the markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. But it's definitely within striking distance. So on Friday, while no guarantees exist, it's not unreasonable to think that the price could potentially get the breakout through there. And if the price can break through that trend line, then the next immediate level you would want to pay attention to from the resistance side of things would be right up there at 64 cents, which is the highs from where the party stopped back on Tuesday. So the price continues to trend upwards. Not just a question of can the price get the breakout above that trend line. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.